Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're looking at not a very fun part, but a very useful part, the outboard wing panel fuel tank vent. Fletcher calls it part number F211. There's a much longer real number for both the left hand and the right hand side, which are in the parts catalog. But when you order from Fletcher, you get one of these. And they're cast in a window plastic, and they're ready to go. So stay tuned while we look at an alternative. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So as we saw, here's the part from Fletcher. By the time you pay shipping, it's going to be about $46. Now you're going to have to trim it, sand it. You're going to have to drill a hole for the vent line tube to come through to lock in. But here are the part numbers. It's 540-1127-503 for the left hand side and -504 for the right hand side. Now that's from the illustrated parts catalog and the maintenance catalog. But anyway, it's held in by 6 rivets, 3 on either side. Then once you get it trimmed, you match drill it to what you have in your airplane. After you remove the old one, drill for the vent, install it, and away you go. Now, in 3D printing, using about 87 cents of material and machine time, here's what you get as an alternative. And you notice that it's a lot smoother, it's a much better shape, and it's got nice rounding on it, and it's got a dimple with a hole already drilled through it, so you know right where the center is for putting in your vent line. And again, this will work for either the left hand side or the right hand side. So there's your alternative for 3D printing. Now you're going to need some time to 3D print it. I mean, you don't just turn it on and you have a part in 5 minutes. It takes a while to 3D print, but with laying out multiple parts, you can let it run overnight and you can produce it. Now you need 2 per airplane, a left hand side and a right hand side, and this is for the 4-place airplanes. This does not apply to the 2 places. You don't have these. These are for 4 places only. But anyway, when you look at this right here, you can see the difference between the 3D part and the extrusion that was cut out by hand, how it's oversized. It's about the right shape, but you're going to have to shape it down and get it fit and all ready to go. So there's going to be some work on your part. So there's the Fletcher part you can buy, and there's the 3D print one that you can do, and there they are side by side. So ladies and gentlemen, hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here's a little bit of the fun I get to see in the wee hours of the night when I'm working. The cats just scooting through the area.